So let's test my skill today and see if I can make a game using C#. As you might already have known till now from my previous videos that I am learning C# while making small game mechanics in Godot, but I have never made a playable game using C# in Godot. So let's see if I can make it with the concept that I have learnt till now. I am gonna try to make my first game that I published, which was a clicker game. Also, if you want to play that game of mine, the Gdscript.io link is in the description. There are other games also of mine which you can try out. Okay, enough of this promotion. Let's get back to the project. So, let's cut the BS boring part and get straight to the point. This will be the character which we can control. And it's the same character sprite which I have used in the actual clicker game of mine, that is Onich. It's pretty simple, just a main root node of character body 2D, the sprite of our character and collision shape 2D. If you don't know, you can set your own input actions using the input map in project settings. For now, I want to set the jump action. Now, let's get to the coding part. The game mechanic I want to use is pretty simple. Just click Enter key continuously to jump the character and avoid it from falling. Just have to delete this if and else. Do some minor tweaks in the code and everything should work fine. And it's falling. But it doesn't jump when I click Enter. And now with some minor tweaks, it should work fine, I guess. It works. It finally works. So, due to some errors, my another video file where I did some more stuff just vanished. So hey, I will just explain the things I did cause I got no footage of it to show. Here I created the enemy scene which is same as the player one. It has a root node of character body 2D, an enemy sprite, and a collision shape 2D. The player now has raycast 2D, which will be used further. I will tell how. So, hey, it might look like lots of things happen at once, but let me explain it the best I can. There can be seen two Area 2D references, where one Area 2D is a win area and the other is a death area. I actually forgot which is which while editing this. In the player script, I have referenced raycast 2D and used the colliding function to check when it collides. And in the enemy script, the code is very simple. The enemy will just continuously move upwards. This is the main scene. You can see the nodes that I have used into this scene. And by the look of it, you can already guess what will be the gameplay of this. The player will race the enemy by continuously clicking the Enter key to move upwards and finish before the enemy. That's the whole motto of this game. The first Area 2D is a win area, and the Area 2D2 is a death area where it will die if it falls there. As you saw, that's a game, but let's polish it a bit more. Let's create the win scene which will be displayed when the player wins. And here it is, the win scene. I didn't felt the necessity to show the whole process cause that is very simple to make. Just a root node of node 2D, a color rect and a label. And I will repeat the same thing for the try again scene. And here is the try again scene. Same nodes as the win scene. So, here what I'm gonna do is that when the player enters that die area, the scene will change to try again scene, and the same will be done when the enemy enters a win area. The scene will change to try again scene. This can be done with the getTree.changeScene to file function. Well, I entered the win area path in the first area 2D entered code, which was for the enemy. Yeah, that was a mistake by me. I will change it later. See, the try again scene is working fine. Now I have to change the path for the enemy and set win scene path for the player when the Raycast 2D collides with the area 2D. Do some minor changes and it's done. So, I have set the win scene path for the player. Set the try again scene path for the enemy. Did some minor changes with the speed of the player and enemy and set get gravity function, so the fall downwards feels more natural. And I think now it should work fine. Okay, die area works fine. The try again scene after the enemy wins also works fine. And the player win scene also works just fine. So that's the whole game. Well, it's not a complete game, but still a playable one instead of a random game mechanic. Another thing I added is a play again button, so it feels more like a game. What I want to do is when I click the button, it should take me to the main scene where the game can be played. Like, it's pretty easy. I have done this lots of times before also. Just connect a signal and set the path to main scene when the button is clicked. Child stuff. And here it is. When the button will be clicked, it will take me to the main scene. It's all done now. And the project is complete. This was very short and simple project, but remember, one step at a time. In future, I will work on more such game projects, and if you want to be updated with it, do subscribe. It's free. Till then, bye, and see you in next one.